We believe the financial system should benefit everyone. Click on the link in the video description and earn free money today. Start now. Everybody should get a basic income. No one should be excluded from using the financial system. PLI is a currency. PLI offers basic income to every living human in the world. The PLI currency is open to everyone. No money needs to be paid in or invested. PLI evaporation makes unspent PLI balances slowly decrease. This ensures continuous demand. This way, cooperation between humans is increased, and poverty and unemployment are reduced. Evaporated PLI are redistributed as PLI basic income. What is PLI? PLI is a currency with evaporation and basic income. The unit of the currency is also called PLI, abbreviated as. Both the singular and the plural are PLI. Thus, it is said, 1 PLI, or 7 PLI. What is PLI basic income? PLI basic income is a regular incoming transfer of PLI balances. Every living human being shall receive PLI basic income. However, PLI basic income can only be received by human beings who have a PLI person certificate. Get a basic income. Click on the link in the video description and earn free money today. Start now.